If you're looking for the best hairsprays for dry hair, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Moroccanoil Luminous Hairspray. Added oils. Argan oil seals the hair shaft, protecting it against humidity and moisturizing your hair, preventing it from drying out in hot climates or during styling. This formula provides a medium hold, which is good for everyday styles. It also comes in strong and extra strong hold for rough treatment and events when you need your style to last longer, like an outdoor wedding on a windy day. Even with a long-lasting finish, the product is flexible enough to leave your hair soft enough to run your fingers or brush through without ruining the style. This hairspray has a great smell that's not overpowering, but the nozzle gets clogged easily, so you should wipe excess product off after each use. If that's something that's going to bother you, you might want to consider upgrading to a premium product like the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Hairspray. Moving on to the next, at number 2 with Marc Nourishing Argan Oil Hairspray. Various added oils and keratin all work together to moisturize and strengthen hair. The keratin repairs the hair shaft, and the oils moisturize and protect your hair from heat and chemical damage. All hair types can use this hairspray, but it is great for smoothing frizz and holding curls. This is a strong hold formula designed to freeze a hairstyle in place. Hairstyles can be brushed out without leaving residue. If you like to layer your hairspray or use it as your style instead of as a finishing spray, you might prefer one with a flexible formula like the Pantene Pro V hairspray. The added oils in this hairspray prevent stickiness, which is a common effect of strong hold hairsprays. You'll have a well-set style while your hair feels soft to the touch. The number 3 position is held by Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Hairspray. There are various added oils, proteins, and fatty acids in this hairspray, but the most unusual one is caviar extract. This sounds fancy, but it's really just a fatty acid like any other. The keratin and caviar extract repair damaged hair for smoother, sleeker hair. With so many hydrating ingredients combined with proteins and fatty acids, this formula is ideal for hair that has been damaged by heat or chemical treatment, or that is older and brittle. Keratin helps to restore the natural strength and elasticity of your hair, keeping it healthy as well as making it look amazing. This formula provides a light to medium hold that is good for everyday use. It can be used at any point in the styling process and layered for a slightly stronger hold. Next, at number 4, we have Pantene Pro V Level 2 Hairspray. This hairspray is alcohol-free. Ethanol in particular helps set hair into place but can also dry hair out faster, causing frizziness and split ends or dry out the scalp, leading to dandruff. Using alternate ingredients prevents this drying out from occurring. Strong, even curls and thick hair will stay in place with this formula, but it's light enough that it won't weigh down fine or thin hair. This is a flexible hairspray that leaves your hair feeling soft and smooth even after layering the formula while styling. The number 5 position is held by SexyHair Healthy So Touchable Hairspray. The main benefit of this hairspray is that it contains keratin, a protein naturally found in hair, skin, and nails. It smooths and strengthens individual hair shafts, preventing frizz and repairing damage. The lightweight formula of this hairspray is ideal for fine or thin hair. Thick hair is likely to fall flat after a while with this spray, as the formula is too light to support it. Lightweight/low hold. If you hate the feeling of stiff or crunchy hair, this hairspray is for you. It is flexible, meaning you can use it at any point in your styling process, and you can build your hairstyle by layering this hairspray as you go. It is defining for light curls without adding too much extra volume. The number 6 position is dominated by Aveda Control Force Hairspray. Aloe vera, flaxseed extract, and marshmallow plant moisturize and repair dry skin. They nourish your hair from the scalp, helping to treat and prevent dandruff, which is a common issue for people with dry hair. All hair types can use this hairspray, but it does apply product heavily, so use sparingly on fine or thin hair. This is a high-strength hairspray that can also be used as an adhesive for lace front wigs. It is a finishing spray that sets your hairstyle at the end of your styling process. It brushes out well without leaving any residue or flakes. Moving on to the next, at number 7 with Alterna Lustér Spray. Alcohol-free and with added oils, this hairspray is working its hardest to keep your hair healthy while setting your style. The added botanicals work on your scalp, repairing, replenishing, and protecting your hair right from the root. Although all the hairsprays on this list help dry hair in some way, This one packs a punch in terms of hydration, which is perfect if you have very dry and or damaged hair. If your hair doesn't need much hydration, you might find this a bit heavy for your hair, but you can still reap the benefits by spraying a little in your hands, then smoothing over your ends and any flyaways. The number 8 position is held by SheaMoisture Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. With so many rich oils, this hairspray is a great way to hydrate and nourish your hair while defining your curls and taming flyaways. It moisturizes your hair from the scalp while doubling as a detangling spray. The oils in the SheaMoisture hairspray are ideal for thick, coarse, and or curly hair. Because it is such a rich formula, it works best on dry hair or hair with mid to high porosity. Normal or oily hair might get weighed down or seem a bit greasy. You'll get a light, flexible hold with this hairspray. It works best for defining curls, rather than holding a particular style. Next, at number 9, we have MarulaOil Rare Oil Perfecting Hairspray. Added MarulaOil hydrates and softens the hair, sealing split ends. It is a lightweight formula that won't wet or weigh down your hair. This hairspray has a light to medium hold. It won't work as well on thick or coarse hair as on medium or thin/fine hair. However, it can be layered during the styling process for a slightly stronger hold. The added oils in this hairspray combat the drying nature of the alcohol in the hairspray, leaving your hair soft rather than sticky. As one of the larger sizes for hairspray, you'll have plenty of hairspray on hand for making yourself look fabulous. This hairspray has a light cinnamon scent that complements without overpowering your senses. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by GIOVANNI 2-Kick Ultra Volume Hairspray. There are lots of different oils in this hairspray which help nourish and moisturize hair while it holds your style. Hair type. One of the biggest benefits of this hairspray is its volumizing formula, which is great if you have fine, thin hair that looks flat. This hairspray is lightweight but holds a style for several hours. It works best on thin, fine hair but might produce mixed results on thicker or coarser hair without layering the product. This is a setting spray, used at the end of the styling process. It brushes out well without leaving flakes or residue. This is one of the smallest bottles at only 5 fluid ounces, so its relatively high price makes it quite an expensive option. The formula boasts organic botanicals, no artificial dyes or harsh chemicals, and a fruity/citrus smell that is not overwhelming. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.